So we are out here today at the Tullahoma Airport, and there's a nesting pair of barn owls inside this hangar, and we're trying to coax them out into that, which is going to be up there, and we're going to put it up using that. This is going to be a whole lot of fun. Let me zoom in on that so you can see the awesomeness of the Tullahoma Fire Department ladder truck. We're going to put it in action here in just a minute. So one of the cool things about this whole operation today is we've got the cooperation of the hangar owner here, which is Williamson Aviation. We've got the Tullahoma Fire Department helping us out by letting us use their ladder truck, which is really cool. And also a big thank you to the amazing cooperation and support of the folks at the Tullahoma Airport for allowing us to do this, to be able to help these birds coexist with the man-made environment that's around them and give them a good chance to be out here and enjoy the wide open fields around the airport, where all the voles and the mice hang out at, so they'll be well fed. They got natural rodent control with these barn owls hanging out here. It's really, really good of all of these folks to allow us to do this, so we really appreciate their support.